Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will cover a very serious topic. So you can see here on Reddit somebody asking, did I just lose my 5000 XRP? I just sent my 5000 XRP to the Ripple event 2021 and I haven't received my XRP back. I'm not sure if it's a legit event, but if not, they got me. I even spoke with someone in a chat about my XRP and they told me I will receive it in 45 minutes to an hour. So unfortunately that person fell for a scam. He will not be able to, so it's very unlikely that he will get his XRP back, and it's very unfortunate. So I know, so the responses were not very helpful at all. So unfortunately, like I said, I'm just trying to highlight here, please don't fall for that. These scams, they're everywhere. So every now and then there are YouTube live streams highlighting that, and you click on that, you can usually see House and Pompliano talking, and there on the bottom there's the website being shown. I wasn't able to find that particular scam. I was trying to use xrpscan and other explorers to maybe find it, but I wasn't able to find it. So, and I wasn't willing to, so I was thinking about querying all of that, but I wasn't willing to put that much time and effort into it because I just wanted to talk about the general idea here. And the first thing when you spot such a scam, which you would like to do, is that you go to xrpdev and go to forensics and go to I have lost money. There you can report my bad, I meant go to submit fraudulent account. So even if you didn't lose money, just report the account. There you paste the address in of the fraudulent account. Click on giveaway doublers, it's the usual case here. Paste the URL where it's attached to, and then leave your Twitter, email handle, whatever, and then also quickly describe it. So xrpdev can't roll back or reverse the transaction, but some exchanges are integrating the services of xrpdev, meaning that if a user tries, for example, to withdraw XRP to an address which has been confirmed by a scam, then Coinbase might, for example, prevent that transaction and notify the user, yes, hello, you're trying to send XRP to a confirmed scam, please reconsider your choices, something like that. Okay, the same goes for Binance or other exchanges which might be using these services. That's, for example, why also there are system internal checks in order to prevent users from being scammed. So please do that. So that's the first thing when you spot such a giveaway scam. So I'll also show you the general idea of those. So I wasn't able to find that one, but I was able to find the ongoing scam. You can see here this scam, they're always built the same way. So they always look very similar. You can see they're doing the giveaway scam for ETH and Bitcoin. So you just click on the ETH thing here, and you can see here they're trying to rush you into not thinking and stuff like that. Hurry up and take part in the giveaway of 50,000 ETH. So you can see here they're telling you what to do. If you send 2 ETH, you will get 4 back. If you send 5 ETH, you will get 10 ETH back. And they're always built the same way. So it's a giveaway double scam, like I said. And because of the high returns, you don't think. So some people don't think clearly and think this is legit. So also one thing you can do is you can copy the address here and enter it into the XRP, in this case ETH scan, but yeah, so Ether scan, but for example if it would be XRP, you would use an XRP Explorer. And as you can see here, many people fall for these kinds of things. So this has been going on. So you can see here 1 day and 18 hours ago. So there have been many people already falling for that. So in most cases we'll be using Coinbase, as you can see here. 2.12 ETH, 2 ETH, 2.02 ETH, and so on. And you can see here no outgoing transactions, so they weren't doubling the money. You can also see it on blockchain here now. And instead they were taking the money and sending it away to another account. And on this account they were exchanging all the ETH they collected and scam people out of into some other token. You can see here swap exact ETH for tokens, so would have to look it up further, but I won't do that now. And then they're more or less trying to hide their trails, and that's how these scams work. So please, like I said, don't fall for that. If you see them, like I said, report them please through xrpdev.com/forensics/submit. So in order to prevent it from further failing. Also another thing you can do for other people is you can report the domain here. So all domains are registered and you always registrar, and that person can, for example, disable the domain. So you go to a website called who.is. There are multiple DNS lookups, so we just do a whois lookup and just enter the website which is scamming. Go to the lookup, and then you can see who is the registrar. So meaning that, for example, if you would like, for example, to register a domain, you're using a service, for example, Amazon or any other domain registrar. And in this case, Evescan was using a company called Namecheap, meaning that you will go to Namecheap, then they've got a own section for filing abuse complaints. So you go to submit a ticket, so then I'm there. And on submit a ticket, you can go to departments, and there is their own section for abuse reports, and there is another section for fraud phishing. Then you go to next. I will be finishing that on my own, so then you enter all your personal data, then the domains, so we could maybe even do that together quickly. So we'll be taking Evescan here, so we'll fill out the data up there later. So abusive domains, so it would be evescan.net. Then the abusive URLs would be those one, and the other one was ending in BTC. Then, right, so to target the phishing attack. So, well, there are no target websites, so it would be basic. It would be like, well, use of Eve. So I hope they see that. But okay, so I'm just gonna go to Bitcoin. I probably might be even filing it wrong there, but never mind. So then it would be posting something with a giveaway scam, and I would be adding all the data. So we'll do that after the video. So if you do that, there's a chance that in whatever 10 to 24 hours this domain gets blocked, and meaning that people can't access it anymore. I know this won't help at all, because they will be just using a new domain and doing it all over again. But if you do that, it still might protect 1 to 10 people, whatever, who still keep falling for that. So, like I said, I am just highlighting here, these are the things you can do. Like I said, first, filing the fraudulent account, number 1, and number 2, reporting the domain with the registrar. So in this case, Namecheap, but for example, another domain has another registrar, and they always have a abuse forum where you can file a complaint via email, or you can use the form they provide you with. Alright, so that's it for this video. So very important, please don't fall for these scams. If something is too good to be true, then it usually is. And nobody is gonna double your money for free. So, and also these giveaway events with, I don't know, please send me X amount of them, send you 2X and stuff like that. Please don't fall for that. Alright, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.